Now the Logan has recognized us, cover your face with this notebook. You must be a friendly face like Maida. Come on. Be careful now. I don't want to be bit by the Logan again. Look at the scar it has left me with. Look at that hideous scar. Can it be seen? Can hideous scar. Come on. We're going very near the Logan again. Please be still after every 5 seconds. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hide your face! Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right now I have decided to go to the friendly attempt. I will make what no scientist has ever done before. Make friends with the Logan. Come on. It's running away, Code Red. Come on. Come on. The Code Red. First aid. Logan.
Wala kang sumama lang.
How very.
Ako ah. Oh.
Super slow. Logan, we have restraint. We have a restraint of the Logan. We have the Logan. Bring the net. Overpowering me. Okay, we'll leave the Logan alone. We need another experiment over there. One of the friendliest creatures, the Lucero. Come on. Over there. That's the Lucero. Otherwise, scientifically called the Christianus lucerus. Come on. It's drinking one of those yellow liquids. They named it the mango shakas. The mango shake is what keeps the Lucero alive. It needs 8 gallons of mango shakes per day in order to survive. Come on. You do have to be very, very careful because the Lucero is very friendly. It won't attack even if you tease it. Come on. Attack Lucero. Very friendly creature. Lucero. Hi, hello friend. Hello. We're not here to harm you in any way, Lucero. Ay, di wasibay. Lucero.
The Lucero attacking